In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the free Bing Web Scraper Keywords Generator. And what this software does is scrapes the Bing autocomplete. The way you do it is you put a starting keyword phrase in here and then a wildcard word in here. What the software program will do, or the online app, when you click the Scrape Bing button, it will go to Bing and type in acne cure and then replace your wildcard word or phrase with the letters of the alphabet. As you can see, that invokes the autocomplete drop-down. And the program will scrape these keyword phrases, making sure not to add duplicates, so they're all unique. In case you don't know much about the autocomplete scraper and what good is that this tool here, this drop-down list right here, is showing you what people are searching for in Bing. Bing isn't just randomly throwing these words out at you for no reason at all. In other words, Bing, with their results that have been saved over a long period of time, the history is that when somebody types in acne cure followed by the letter A, the majority of people type in one of these exact keyword phrases. So you go ahead and make articles or other content about these exact keyword phrases, targeting these exact keyword phrases, you stand a much better chance of having your content appear on the first page of Bing. Of course, Google is the king of search engines, but Bing and Yahoo are second. So ranking well for Bing is pretty important too. So instead of yapping on, I'll just let the tool go to work and show you it in action. And there you go, the list box is filling up as it's scraping, and this feedback box here is showing you exactly what's going on behind the scenes. And you can view and use these keyword phrases in one of two ways. You can view them alphabetically sorted, which is the default right here, or you can sort them by the tail length, meaning the number of words in the keyword. The more words, the better. See, like if you wrote an article about this long keyword phrase here and you put this exact keyword phrase in the title, description, and several times in the text of the article, you're more than likely, as long as the article itself is very closely related to and relevant to these keyword phrases, you will most likely rank on the first of Bing within a very short period of time. And if you need instructions again for using this tool, just scroll down a little bit beyond the tool and you get step-by-step instructions here.